Installing an E3.S front drive. Install the drive into the drive cage. Install the 4PH1 screws to secure the drive to the drive cage. The replacement procedures for an E3.S1T dual drive from slot 0 or 1 and an 1T single front drive are identical. If you are installing the E3.S1T dual drive in the slot 2 or 3, install the spacer first. Then install the drive into the slot 2 or 3. Install the 4PH1 screws to secure the drive. If the gap pad on the heatsink is damaged or missing, replace it. Install the heatsink in the drive cage. Install the 2PH1 screws to secure the heatsink to the drive cage. Install the 2PH1 screws to secure the side holder to the drive cage. The replacement procedures for an E3.S1T dual drive from slot 2 or 3 and a 2T single front drive are identical. Connect the drive cables to the corresponding drives. Install the cable retainer into the drive cage. Fasten the 2PH1 screws to secure the cable retainer to the drive cage. If the drive cage gap pads are damaged or missing, replace them. Make sure to follow the gap pad putty pad replacement guidelines. Note: when attaching the gap pad, align the gap pad with the markings on the water loop. The figures shown specify the gap pad required for different drive configurations. Install the E3.S drive cage assembly into the node. Fasten the 3 captive screws. Install the blank bezel filler into the slot installed with the drive cage. Install the front cross brace. Install the tray cover.